Good morning to all of you. With heavy heart, I have to say that an APP of the Excise Court of Machilipattam, I think, Vijayawada, Vijayawada, she was caught by the Sleuths of Anti-Corruption Bureau. Where? In the court premises at Machilipattam, yes, I am correct. In the court premises at Machilipattam, she was caught, and actually we can say that the victim, Mr. Murali Krishna, involved in a case of so-called 498A, who was demanded to pay 90,000 or so. He has approached, he handed over the money to the SEB, that is Special Enforcement Bureau Constable Bandar Balakrishna, attached to the APP. Both of them were caught red-handed. Of course, it has come in the press also. Where did the incident take place? This is more important. In the court premises, in the office of APP. No doubt. Previously, when we acted as police officers, we were told that, we were made to understand that court is a sanctified place. Just like temple, court is a sanctified place. Suppose if anybody wants to hold dharna, even the advocates, they wanted to go on strike outside the premises, not in the court, inside the court, not allowed. If anybody takes out a procession with music, not allowed. They will not cause any disturbance before the court. The court is a place where the judges are there, sanctified place, I told you. They should not be disturbed. The proceedings should go on from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Normally, everybody will be afraid of the court. Of course, another point is also there. Normally, the people wish to visit the temples, wish to visit the places of public resort, but the public never wish to attend a police station, a hospital, a court, in general terms. Of course, in case of necessity, definitely they will tap the doors of the court. So it happened in the sanctified place. And second point is, normally we were made to understand that you should not arrest a person within the court premises. Of course, we did it, but in some other name. We used to take them away, whisk them away from that place. We should show the arrest elsewhere. So that is the sanctity of the court. But here it happened in the court premises itself, very bad incident. That too, accepting a bribe. A public prosecutor, she's some name they have given, I don't want to mention her name, she's a woman. Having been selected, please remember, in the law college, we have been conducting the JCJ classes. Our principal sir, Dr. K. Nataraj, he is pleased to coach them for JCJ exams, junior civil judge or APPs. They can become, some of them are becoming APPs also. It's a government post. And salaries are hefty salaries. Why should you go for the so-called corrupt money, corruption? Why? How horrible it is. Not acceptable. Suppose, had it happened at some other place, there would have been something excuse. But here, having accepted the money in the court premises, where the office of the APP is located, I don't know whether it is in the court premises or promising to them if you are in the court. Yeah, same court premises on. And it was seen in the video that she has been arguing with the police people, the SCB people. She is also the additional SP or ASP of the SCB. She is also a woman. She is a lady. But you have to understand as to where we are going. Justice. We expect justice from the court. We expect court to be a sanctified place. But we don't expect such things happen in the court. Of course, as an experienced man, I can say that such things do happen. 2 or 3, I think 5 years back, maybe 5 years back, an additional PP of SC/ST court in Guntur, he was also caught by the ACP. And the Honorable High Court of Telangana Chief Justice, he gave permission to raid the houses of, I think, some Warangal district judge or something, basing on the disproportionate assets. But these are all stray incidents. Such incident should not happen. We should be more careful. So, of course, already I think I might have told in the classes also, the so-called corruption is individual. Corruption is individual. Don't be under the wrong impression that the person who is in need of money, he stoops down to the so-called corrupt money. No. Because we are the standing examples of the so-called anti-corruption. Even though we are in dire need of money, I am a father of 5 children, all girls. I performed their marriages, but I did not stoop down to so-called corrupt money. That is individual. So anyway, as government officers, when you have enough resources, when the government is paying hefty money, why should you go for this corruption? Very bad. So please think over the matter, particularly the judges and the APPs and the legal people connected with this. You must be answerable to the society. So please don't resort to such activities. That's why I started with heavy heart. Thank you.